How to see your Gmail's password if you've forgotten it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily check your Gmail account's password if you have forgotten it. So if you're trying to log into your Gmail account in a different device, but you're not sure of your password, this is how you can check it. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is make sure to open up Google or the Gmail application that you are already logged into, and make sure that it's logged into the account that you want to connect to. And once you have done that, you can just tap on the profile icon and then head over to Manage Account. Once you land on your Google Account Manager, just swipe left on your screen on the top section, and here you'll find the Security tab. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom until you find Password Manager. Tap on Manage Password, and here you'll see all of your saved password. This method only works if you previously saved your password on your Google account. So from here, simply tap on Google and use your fingerprint or password. Now you'll see your Gmail account right here, and if you tap on this eye icon, it will easily reveal your password and you can log into your account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you on the next video.